Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Finding when a particle's tangent slope equals 2 is fast with the right formula. Let's solve this problem now.
First, we need to remember that the slope of a tangent line in parametric form is simply the derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy over dx. Since we are given the individual rates of change for x and y, we just divide t cubed by the quantity 3 minus 2t to find our slope expression. Set that fraction equal to 2 and solve for t. Rearranging terms gives t cubed plus 4t minus 6 equals 0. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush with signs. Trust the given derivatives to find option B.